Why is it so unfair that all the cool parts and fittings and things that I really need and want only made in America and only sold in America with ridiculous shipping costs and stuff?
That's a good one!
I'm not gonna make the same mistake like I did with my door latches. By the way, if you want to see this video, it's right here. So, those things. I cannot find them here in UK. I'm gonna make my own. Why not? I have a lathe, I have a bit of aluminium. It shouldn't be too difficult. Yeah, where is it? So, a rod, 11 mil. We have a carbon fiber tube from Easy Composites. It's a 10 mil internal diameter. So what we need to do is we need to, well, you're gonna see it now. Hello, hi. Is there a Chinese factory that makes all sorts of stuff for very cheap?
喂，係，我哋係大陸工廠整嘅。
Yeah, hi. I have those things I need making.
你估我哋咩人啊？好似地嗰啲死鬼佬啊，死鬼佬唔識整嘢啊，整到嗰啲成日整啲垃圾嘢啊。
Yeah, the pivoting points, carbon rod supports.
咩啊？你咁串？
Yeah.
你咁串，而家我收你2個 kidney 啊！
Okay.
你好死啊！你走去走去屌翻你嗰啲成10萬雞嗰啲鬼婆啦！
Yeah, no, I don't speak Chinese. Built, not bought, bitch.